Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, quit Grammarly completely before removing it from your Mac. Click the Grammarly icon in the menu bar and choose Quit. If it does not respond, open Activity Monitor and force Quit Grammarly there. Next, open Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. Drag Grammarly app to the trash. Keep the trash closed for now. We will remove support files next so the app is fully deleted. Open Finder and press Shift-Command-G to open Go to Folder. Enter /library and press Return to reveal hidden support folders. In Application Support, delete the Grammarly folder. In Caches, delete the Grammarly cache folder as well. In Preferences, locate COM. Grammarly, list and remove any COM. Grammarly, * files. Also check Launch Agents and Launch Daemons for. After deleting all support files, right-click the trash and choose Empty Trash. This permanently removes Grammarly and related files from your disk. Next, restart your Mac to clear any residual background processes. Restarting also frees files that were locked during removal. After reboot, open each browser and check extensions or add-ons. Remove any Grammarly browser extensions and sign out if needed. Finally, confirm no Grammarly folders exist in /library or Applications before considering the uninstall complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.